show you all the stuff we need.
Okay, what do we have here?
So, now I'm gonna sit down. So, we have a Q-tip, a homemade Q-tip. We made it all by ourselves. And
that?
we got our science plate.
Science plate.
And our science soap.
Science soap.
And some, what kind of oil is this?
Just regular oil.
And
Vegetable oil.
And we got some vegetable oil.
So what are we going to test the surface tension of?
We're going to test the surface tension of oil and food coloring.
Oh, where's the food coloring?
Food coloring is right in there. Okay. So we have... Excuse me. I know the yellow looks like orange, but it really is yellow.
Okay. So what's the first step for testing the surface tension of oil?
So the first step is get some soap. Well, get some soap and put it... Get some soap and put it in a little bowl like this.
Okay.
And then you get a Q-tip.
Okay.
But it doesn't have to be homemade. So then we pour the oil.
That's probably enough oil then.
And then, are you excited?
So now what?
And then, that looks like milk. Get some of this stuff.
So how much of that stuff?
2 of every drop.
2 of every drop?
2 of every one of these, like.
2 what?
2. 2 drops of every, food coloring.
Okay.
So, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Got it.
So. Our Q-tip.
Okay.
And we put it in the soap.
Okay.
Not a lot, just a little bit. I'm just doing a lot.
Then what are we going to do?
Oops. Then that's why. That's why we don't put too much on there. So, booyah. Didn't work that well, but.
What's going on?
It's a surface tension.
What's happening?
Green is better. What's wrong?
What's wrong here? What was supposed to happen? What did you expect was going to happen?
It's supposed to explode.
Explode?
Yes.
You mean like blow up in the air and stuff?
No, not that.
What do you mean by explode then?
Well, I mean by explode, what I mean by explode is that it will like blow up like in the water.
Oh, why should that happen? What does the soap do that would make it explode or spread out? Hello, over here.
Hold on. Look.
What should the soap be doing to make it the food coloring spread out?
Like that.
No, you just spreading it out with the Q-tip.
I know, but that's what it's really supposed to do.
How come it's not doing that?
Because I bet oil isn't that good as water.
Oil doesn't what as good as water.
I mean, not oil. Water is lighter than oil.
No.
Because its surface tension.
What about the surface tension? Does oil have good surface tension?
No.
No. See how it works?
Yes, let's try with milk and see how
All
it
right, we'll
works.
try with milk and see how it works.
Audience, don't go. Stay back. Stay where you are watching. And we'll be right back. Hi class, welcome back. I'm a little nervous.
All right, Chinja.
But
So what happened last time? I can't remember.
last time we used oil and it wasn't that good.
How come it wasn't that good?
Because it was too fat.
It was too fat, so it didn't have good what?
Surface tension.
Okay, so what are we going to use this time?
We're going to use milk.
So how come we're using milk and not water?
Because what do you think?
I don't know.
Milk is less fatter. Milk is less fatter than oil.
Okay.
And milk looks like it's fatter than oil. Water.
So milk is halfway between oil and water?
Uh-huh.
So you think maybe milk has better surface tension than oil?
Yes.
Well, yeah. So oil doesn't have good surface tension. Milk isn't as fat as oil, so maybe it has better surface tension.
Yes.
Water has no fat, so it should have a lot of surface tension, right?
Yeah.
How come we can't use the food coloring in the water again?
Because it's not that good surface tension. You know why?
Why?
Because food coloring, you dip it in the water, it just dissolves to the color, but it's still the same color.
We don't want that to happen?
No.
What do we want to happen?
We do not want to make it dissolve. But
So what do we want to do?
So what are we going to do? Oh, that's easy. So what we are going to do is we are going to pour some milk, and I'll have a volunteer. Well, and it's going to be my little buddy. So we're going to pour some milk in our
Into our what? What's that again?
science saucer.
Science saucer, okay.
And we're gonna I'm gonna need my little buddy again to pour the soap in here. Or I'll do myself. So my buddy's funny. So then we are going to see. So then we're gonna put where's the other part of the food coloring? Oh, so then we're gonna put the food coloring. Four food colorings in on the milk. And then we're going to put a Q-tip, dip it in the soap, but there's no soap. I'm just showing you. And put on one of these and it's going to...
You're going to explode.
Not like that.
Huh.
I'm going to go like...
Well, come on, let's see it.
Okay, let's go. Let's get them ready. Okay, helper, I need you.
What's the first step?
Okay, never mind. I don't need my helper. I can do it myself. So, here's the milk. I'm gonna pour it to this little buddy. A line. Well, it's okay. It's only milk. Plus, slime is supposed to be messy. Soap in here. Squeeze. Then
Now what?
we're gonna put some food coloring.
How many drops?
2, or you can do 1 if you want. Hope so.
Now what?
Okay. Now, get our Q-tip. And play with this, your audience. Can anybody want to volunteer? Okay, you, come on. Put it in here.
We have too much soap in there.
No, it doesn't really stay on that good. Hold
Just
on.
dip it.
Okay. So we take this. You don't get a real cute tip.
Not too
Yes.
much. Now, before you do this, explain what should happen and why.
It's gonna explode right on there
And why?
because it's a surface tension.
What's going to happen to the surface tension?
Hmm?
What's going to happen to the surface tension? What's the soap going to
You
do?
can go sit down. Huh?
What is the soap going to do to the surface tension?
Oh, it's gonna make the surface tension like.
All right,
But
well,
the
let's
orange
see.
isn't that good. But let's see.
Whoa. I guess you were right. Oh.
The longer you keep it in there, the farther it goes.
So the soap broke the surface tension,
Yes.
and that lets the food coloring do what?
Let the food coloring, like it's fighting. Well, I couldn't do that one, so. Booyah! Cool.
Okay, that was
Let's
a
see
very
what
nice
it is.
experiment. So we know that milk has better surface tension or worse surface tension than oil.
Better surface tension.
Okay. Anything else you want to say?
Yes.
What?
People who came to the first and second class, come up here. And this is just an experiment. So this isn't a real class. I just said hi class because we're just doing a video. So we might have a class soon, but just for pretend because I'm playing.
How about thank you for watching? Goodbye.
I know. And thank you all of the people who helped me. Bye-bye.